Today, we're exploring Todai-ji Temple in Nara, a place that's home to one of Japan's most iconic and inspiring sites, the Great Buddha, or Daibutsu. This temple, established in the 8th century, is renowned for its colossal bronze Buddha statue. The Daibutsu stands an impressive 15 meters tall, and it's housed in the Daibutsuden, or Great Buddha Hall, which is one of the largest wooden structures in the world. As you enter, the sheer scale of this hall and its central figure is nothing short of breathtaking. Here is a fun fact. The Great Buddha statue is surrounded by numerous smaller statues and historical artifacts, each with its own story. And don't miss the famous Buddha's nostril, a hole in one of the pillars that's said to be the same size of the Buddha's nostril. Legend has it that if you can crawl through it, you'll be blessed with good fortune. The temple grounds are also home to a beautiful park with friendly deer. These deer are considered messengers of the gods and are often seen roaming freely. Feel free to interact with them, but remember to be respectful. If you're visiting Nara, Todai-ji Temple is a must-see. It's a place where history and spirituality come together, offering a powerful experience that's both educational and moving. Au revoir and keep exploring!